I finished work late today and I got home late and I just finished my phone call with Peter and it's almost 1 a.m. and I'm starving, so I'm gonna make buldak that Peter said. Boil the water first, and it's just my way to cook it. I put this noodle inside the water right now, like this. I wait till the water boils. Pour some water out. Not all, you have to leave some. This. We only have to use this right now. The sauce. Put the sauce in it. I'm gonna put it all in it because I'm Korean. But if you're not good with spicy food, have to try like half or less than that. You can add this after you cook it. And here's what I do. Turn on gas again and boil it till there's no water, till it's not watery like this, till it's thick. You can add some milk or cheese in it, then you can make this buldak, original buldak, like pink buldak, carbo buldak. And now it's time to add this flakes. It's skim and sesame. Skim, it's the seaweed, and sesame. You have to put this after you finish cook. And this is how Koreans eat ramen. We don't move to another bowl or plates. Just eat it like this. Peter mentioned about this pot, square pot, and this pot's actually made by instant ramen company for instant ramen. Isn't that cute? I like just like this, thick. Some people like more watery or saucy, but I like this little dry and thick texture.